Thank you very much for joining me again. In the previous video, we treated this forming a cone from a sector. Now we say we treat an example on that. Now we have an example that says the center of a circle of radius 14 centimeter is cut out. That sector is in a circle. Here's a circle. Let's assume we have a circle like this. Let's pick that center. So we have this place is 250 degrees. And the radius is what? 14 centimeter. Right? So this is a radius, this is also a radius, this is also 14 centimeter. So we have, because it's drawn the radius from the center, any line drawn from the center to any part of circumference is a radius. So we have that, and this place is known as the arc. This is the arc. So let me call this AOB. So AB is like an arc. So it is for us to calculate that the length of that, we call it length of arc. Now, it said cut out the angle. If it's now cut out, cut it out 250 degrees, 14 centimeter, and this place is still the length of arc. Okay? Now the question says find the perimeter of the sector. How do we find the perimeter? Radius plus this length of arc. So perimeter supposed to be equal to radius plus length of arc, right? So if perimeter is equal to, what's our radius? 14 centimeter plus 14 centimeter, then plus the length of arc. That is 28 centimeter plus what's our length of arc? Should be theta. What's the formula? We have theta upon 360 times 2 pi r. So that is 28 plus 250 upon 360 times 2 times 22 upon 7 times 14, right? Now we can go this way now. This cancel out this. 1 year 1, 7 year 2. 2 year 1, 2 year 18, 2 year 1, 2 year 9, right? Now what do we do next? Nothing to cut 22 again, as in without remainder. So what do we do? We have 28 plus multiply 25 by 22, then we divide by 9. 25 times 22, that gives us 550 divided by 9, 61.1. So plus 28, that is 9, it's 9.1 centimeter. So our perimeter is equal to, it's 9.1 centimeter. Now let's go to the next question. The question says, if the sector is folded to form a cone, this sector, if it's folded to form a cone, what are we going to be adding? Let's twist it a bit. What are we going to be adding? Let me do it here. Let me do it here. If it's to fold to form a cone, you're going to be having a cone to be like this. Cone like this. Cone like this. So the cone will have a perpendicular height. It will have its radius. It will have a slant side, which is the slant height. So what do we do? It said find the if the sector is folded to form a cone, calculate the radius of this. This is what we are looking for. We're looking for the radius of the cone. Don't forget from what in my previous video I mentioned that this place, this one, what do we call it? This is the radius of the sector. Once you fold this sector into each other to form a cone, this radius will now be this, right? It will now be the slant height of the cone. The cone maintains its angle 250 degrees, right? See the same angle. So what do we have? Don't forget we rated the slant side, what do we call it? We rated the slant and the radius of the slant height, fine. Now we rated this also. The length of arc of this sector is equal to the circumference of this base. What does that mean? Theta upon 360 times 2 pi what? 2 pi what? The length of this arc. What do we call this now? It is now called what? Length of this arc We have theta over 360 times 2 pi is supposed to be 2 pi r, right? So, but it is, where the 2 pi r is this radius, right? So that will be 2 pi l, and that should be equal to what? It is the r, 2 pi r, the radius of this circle. But the radius of this circle is now the what? It's now the slant height of this cone, or even the cone. Now, this length of arc should be equal to the what? To the perimeter or the circumference of this base. Now, what that will be 2 pi r, the circumference of this circular base. So, what do we have? This one, we are looking for our r. 2 pi cancel 2 pi. So, r should be equal to theta L upon 360. What is our theta? 250. Times, what is our L? This is our L, 14. The slant height is 14 divided by 360. What do we have? 250 times 14, then divided by 360. So we have 9.72 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of this cone formed from this sector will be 9.72 centimeter. Thank you for joining me. See you some other time.